There are many tool set products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best tool sets from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. King Tool 276-piece Tool Set Kit. Rating 4.5. The Upgrade Toolbox is a multifunctional solution that combines aesthetics and practicality. It features a storage compartment with a separate sliding drawer, offering greater capacity than standard toolboxes. This design allows for organized storage of various tool types, making it easier and quicker to find the tools you need. The 276 PCS toolset meets daily work needs, easily handling tasks such as furniture repairs, appliance installations, and simple renovations. It includes a variety of common tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, needle nose pliers, saw, and drills. They provide convenience and efficiency for our daily lives. Number 4. Workpro Pink Household Toolkit. Rating 4.7. Make sure the battery has some charge, ideally 50 to 60%, before putting it away. Due to the low voltage protection mechanism of lithium battery, to recharge the battery after it completely drains, you may need to wait for 4 to 5 minutes until your charger senses a battery, and then it should begin to charge normally. More practical than it looks, quality home drill kit constructed from high-strength heat-treated CRV, corrosion and rust-resistant finished where needed for durability and extended tool life. All-in-one tool bag is a great tool set for home. It comes with a handy tool bag that stores everything neatly. Wide mouth open makes you find tools easily. Number 3. Drive Master Impact Socket Set. Rating 4.8. Provides the strength and flexibility to handle high-torque impact tools. Reduces wear and increases the torque on fasteners by placing force on fastener walls rather than fastener corners. Quickly align the fastener to the socket. Laser-etched and roll-stamped markings to ensure permanent socket identification. Convenient impact socket transport and storage. All sockets are rigorously tested, ensuring peak performance and durability. The most complete 3/8-inch drive set on the market. Provides access to virtually all recessed fasteners. Adapts any socket for use in swivel applications. Number 2. Drive Socket Set. Rating 4.8. This 1/4 and 3/8-inch socket set includes both metric and standard sizes of sockets, bits, and a full complement of extensions. Fit any needs on the job or home repair. Keep all sockets organized without a mess with a compact and impact-resistant case for easy transportation and safe storage. The design of sockets is for better grip and prevents rounding off. Efficiently engages with flat sides of fasteners, gives a secure fit, and minimizes the risk of slippage, with high-impact drop-forged premium chrome vanadium steel to take on any project, large or small. Easy to solve car problems. Meets or exceeds ANSI performance standards in 2024. Work at home or the garage with fast application, efficiency, and accuracy in any workspace. Number 1. Amazon Basics Tool Set. Rating 4.8. Tackle everyday household projects with this comprehensive 104-piece basic toolkit for the home. Includes a hammer, level, pliers, magnetic screwdrivers and bits, wrenches, cable ties, a utility knife, and more. Built with corrosion-resistant and heat-treated plating, this toolbox set will stand demanding tasks. Keep this small tool set secure and neatly arranged in the round storage case. The compact design offers easy transportation and accessibility wherever your projects take you. Featuring easy grip, non-slip handles, each tool in the small tool set is designed for maximum comfort and control, providing simple handling during each use. The portable round pouch offers a stylish turquoise finish, ideal for storing your kit efficiently and securely. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.